Welcome guys, today I am with this Philips earphones and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. So we are going to use this multi-function button in the middle and also this plastic part with the indicator. So as you can see, we have to click and hold this multi-function button until this indicator right here starts blinking. So click and hold it and take a look on the indicator. Keep holding. And right now you can release when it's blinking on the blue and the white. Next, open the settings on your iPhone, click on the Bluetooth, tap on the switcher to activate Bluetooth and select your Philips earphones from the list. Right now we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.